Guys, I am back at Dollar Tree with my Walmart bags. I had some Walmart bags in the car, and since you have to pay for Dollar Tree bags now, I thought I'll take these in. I need to get my shopping bags out of the trunk. So anyway, this is the first Dollar Tree haul I've had in a while. And somebody on one of my recent videos commented that these were back in a Dollar Tree. So whoever it was, thank you so much. I don't remember who it was because I hadn't seen them for probably a month or two. So I'm going to be making an Easter wreath. I have my St. Patrick's Day wreath hanging up. And so I got this so I can put this in the center of the wreath. And I have pastel colored mesh at home already. And I have Easter ribbons, so I'm good there. I've been waiting for them to come out with the spring napkins and they haven't yet. At least not, you know, this size. They had some cocktail size, and I'm going to show you the other ones I got. So I had some yellow ones, just plain yellow. So I got some pink for spring, and oh my god, you guys, it's going to get up to 74 today. We got up to 73 yesterday, and it's just sunny and beautiful. Much better than that snow we got. So they have these. These I like to keep in the bathroom. They're guest napkins, so I like to keep them in the bathroom for people who don't like to use the fabric towel. I got some bunny pom-poms. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with them. I use my felt hearts for all different seasons and holidays, so I might go ahead and make an Easter one and use these somehow. I got 4 tubes of the capsaicin cream. This sells the same thing at Walmart. I mean, not the same brand, but the same strength, size. It sells at Walmart for $10. So I come and get these. And the reason I started using this is I have a condition called notalgia paresthetica, and it's caused by an entrapped nerve in my back. And I have been having this burning pain and itching in my back along the scapula, the shoulder blades, for probably 2 years now. And I would ask Mike to scratch, and I have a back scratcher, and he would put anti-itch cream on, and nothing seemed to help. So then I finally just Googled itching shoulder blade, and that's what popped up. And what's interesting is part of the syndrome is that you get a brown discoloration over the area because you're scratching so much, and I have that too. So I'm pretty sure that's what it is. My chiropractor agrees, and so he's working more of the thoracic part of my back. So we'll see if anything helps. But I put that capsaicin cream on 2 to 3 times a day, and it does help. So I got some of these. Again, I'm going to make some cute little St. Patrick's Day decorations with the felt hearts. I apologize for my voice. I went to Walmart yesterday to find a wire cutter, and well, I didn't go there to find a wire cutter. I was there and I couldn't find one. And then I remembered Dollar Tree has them for $1. Got another puzzle book. I have to get another bag out of the trunk, I think. I got one of these. I like to put these in the center of the table just to add some color, and I can put my vase of flowers in the center, and it looks really pretty. And I don't have one in this color. Well, I do now. I didn't. What else do I have? Sorry about that. Got another one of these. I just opened my last one. I use this all the time. I really like it. The VO5 Extra Body with Collagen. I just needed to clean my hair because I wear my wigs all the time. Oh, and this is my new one, my Dolce, that wigs.com sent me. I just love this wig. So Liz's roommate's little boy is now into dinosaurs, so I got a couple of dinosaurs. His 4th birthday is coming up, so I thought he might enjoy these. I asked her what can we get him for his birthday, and she said, well, maybe a big dinosaur. So I asked her to look on Amazon and see what they have. So I got a total of 4 of these capsaicin. Oh, and then this is a topical treatment for shingles, I guess. Compared to the active ingredients of Zolstrix. So, and it's 0.25 and 1.5 ounces. I've already gone through 2 or 3 of these. I'm going to be doing my empties video pretty soon. I've got a lot. I haven't done one in a while. And then I got these to put on my Easter wreath. And these are what I wanted wire cutters for, because these have wire in them. And just to try to use my regular scissors, it's a pain. So I'm going to use those for the wreath. And aren't these pretty? Oops. It is an egg garland. And then they had it in orange, and they had it in another colorway. I forgot what the colors were, but I just love the pastel colors. And it will go with all the other stuff that I have for my wreath. And then I got this to hang on the bottom of the wreath. It's the door hanger. But I like to hang these on the bottoms of the wreath. I got the Whack-A-Pack, Easter Whack-A-Pack. For Liz's friend's little boy. I got another one of these. I use these. I wash my bras in the bathroom sink a lot because I don't want that capsaicin cream to get all over my other clothes. And I also wash my wigs in the bathroom sink. So I use this, and then I have the Dawn, the little Dawn bottle, and I refill that from my big one in the kitchen. And I use that to wash my makeup brushes, my makeup eraser cloth. Best thing to get the makeup off. It works beautifully, better than anything else I've tried. And I got 2 of the diabetic socks. My mother-in-law is here and she loves these, so I got 2 more for her. And then I got these 2 different Easter egg coloring kit. So this one has color that you dab on with a sponge. So I might keep that for me and then send this one to Liz. So they can do Easter eggs. And that's about it. My mother-in-law came in on Tuesday. Today's Thursday. I was just at the chiropractor. And she came in from Madison, Wisconsin, and she brought the beautiful weather with her. Not that it's beautiful in Madison. It's cold and wintry there. But I'm so happy that the weather changed for her visit. She's in her 80s and is really starting to feel her age. And so I'm really happy that she gets to experience some nice weather before having to go back. And she has slowed down quite a bit. This is the first time that I've actually really seen a physical change in her. But she's hanging in there, and she slowed down quite a bit. So we aren't getting out and doing a lot. We're pretty much just staying home and visiting. And if any of you guys have elderly parents, then you might know what I mean. So, okay guys, well, I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Thanks so much for watching. And I will be doing my empties video pretty soon. Probably after my mother-in-law leaves. Oh, well, I don't know. It doesn't take me that long to film a video, but I hope you're having a wonderful week. I hope the weather is improving wherever it is that you live, and I'll just see you next time. Thanks, guys. Love you.